Saying number 291. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said in condoling Ash'as ibn Qais about the death of his son, O Ash'as, if you grieve over your son, certainly it is the consequence of the blood relationship, but if you endure, then Allah provides recompense for every affliction. O Ash'as, if you endure even then matters will move on as ordained by Allah, but in that case you will deserve reward, while if you lose patience, matters will again move as ordained by Allah, but in this case you will be bearing the burden of sins. O Ash'as, your son, when he lived, gave you happiness while, at the same time, he was a trial and hardship, and, when he died, he grieved you while, at the same time, he has proved a source of reward and mercy for you.